Yes, my people, you know, say I fire read one more time again. Right now we have Port Charles, St. Elizabeth. But people don't know this beach still is a very, out here is very rough, very rough. It's a dangerous beach. So I'm at Fort Charles, St. Elizabeth. Yeah, true Jamaican vibes. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Fire read. My people, just take a tour with me, you know. True Jamaican vibe, sweet Jamaica, one love, one heart. Peace, 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 my people. Yes, my people. The weather is very rough today, no swimming. This is a lonely beach today because of the coronavirus. Only close by just take a walk on the beach. All over that side. You can use this beach, go back to Treasure Beach. I don't see any fishermen today. This is a beach for fishing. Many people use this area for fishing. You don't really have to see it today because it's a rough weather today. But it's a beauty to be in Port Charles in your spare time. Natural beauty. Just take a tour, see where. Look at the water over here, very rough. At least about 7 miles of beach. 7 miles. 7 miles of water. You can walk straight back to Great Bay. Time when I'm not on the farm. Stay quiet on the beach. Plus, it's a quarantine time now. So this is where we like, Look at the beauty.